Let me tell you something. To become fluent in English, you don't need to study grammar, remember thousands of words, or even speak English all the time. Doesn't make sense, does it? But let me tell you the truth. If you listen properly, it can help you become more fluent all around. I'll show you why in this movie. The only skill you need is to know how to listen well. This is the biggest mistake most students make. There are a lot of people who try to learn English all at once, speaking, vocabulary, spelling, and how to say words all at the same time. What does happen? They're feeling too much. They get worn out. They lose their drive. Worst of all, they aren't making real progress because they are split up. Too many ways to do things, too many goals, and not enough discipline. So what's the answer? Listening is the one skill you should work on the most. Why being able to listen is the ideal skill? This is a strong thought. Everything else will come naturally if you understand well. Take a look. If you listen to English a lot, your speech will get better on its own. You learn new words without having to remember them. Your language will become second nature, and speaking will follow naturally after that. Why? Because hearing is the basis of words. You listen before you speak. You know what you're writing before you start. Grammar is not the first thing that kids learn. They just listen for months or even years until one day they talk. It's not magic. That's how you listen at work. Listening is a natural way to learn. You can hear how words are said when you listen to the right things. You see how sentences are put together. All of this happens naturally, and you understand words in their proper context. You're not making yourself remember things. The phrases are getting into your brain. That means you no longer need to separate skills. You don't need time for speech, language, and grammar. Everything grows together when you listen. Let's talk about how to listen right now, because it's not enough just to listen. Do it the right way. First, read and listen. The most powerful method is this one. Play the English sound file and read the words at the same time. Do not try to understand everything. Do what the flow says. This helps you link letters and sounds, find words more quickly. Naturally improve your speech. Your brain learns twice as fast when your eyes and ears work together. Second, use your words to teach others. Most people never do this. Save your own voice. Talk about words, phrases, and your ideas. Then you can play your recordings whenever you want, while walking, while sitting, and before going to sleep. Why does this work so well? Your brain is very used to hearing your own words. Hearing yourself helps you learn more quickly. You learn from yourself. Third, act out real talks. You can practice alone. You are able to make your own interactions. Think about events like a job interview, a chat with friends, or telling a story. Say your thoughts out loud and write them down. After that, listen again. You can get better at the things you do wrong, the times you hesitate, and the things you find weak. People who practice alone do better in real life.
Figure out a way to reflect every week. Just take a minute or two once a week. Write down what you've learned. Put new words together. For example, this week I learned, or I heard this phrase. Now I get it better. This easy habit helps you remember things for longer, make connections between ideas, and learn more because it turns short-term information into long-term memory. 5. Pay close attention. This is very important. You can't just play English in the background and expect things to happen. Nobody can learn if they are not paying attention. Pay attention when you listen. Pay attention to the tone, meaning, and message. Pay attention, because that's how you learn how to understand. 6th, don't leave your safe zone. Pick information that is neither too easy nor too hard. When you understand about 70 to 80%, you're at the best level. This is the ideal area. Why? Since you're not bored, you're not too busy, You keep your brain busy, and this is where things really get better. Seventh, learn with a clear goal in mind. Before you listen, ask yourself, what do I want to learn? Main ideas, vocabulary, or pronunciation? Your mind is more focused when you have a goal, and learning with attention works much better. You're only hearing and not learning if you don't mean to. 8. Listening should be a normal part of your life.
We've reached the last and most important step. Don't just use English to study, add it to your life. Listen while you walk, cook, or just chill out. Something changes after that. English is no longer being taught to you. You automatically speak English well because you live here. Now let's talk about the truth. There's no need for complicated methods. You don't have to learn everything at once. You only need to listen right. Always pay attention. Every day listen. Because you can talk better when you understand more. You think more quickly. You get better at it. Begin right now. 1 sound file, 5 minutes, full attention. That's enough, because listening is more than one thing. Everything else is built on this skill. Please like, share, and subscribe if this movie helped you learn English. Listen, learn, and grow, and I'll see you in the next